case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1979, the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit heard Johnson v. General Motors Corp., a case that dealt with the rights of individuals who were part of a class action lawsuit but did not receive notice of the lawsuit. The case arose when Herman Johnson, a black employee at a General Motors assembly plant in Atlanta, accused the company of discrimination in promotion, job assignment, job education, and dissemination of job openings. Johnson filed a class action lawsuit under Title VII and 42 U.S.C. Section 1981, similar to a previous class action against General Motors in which he was an absent member of the plaintiff class. The district court initially held that Johnson's cause of action was barred by the prior suit due to his absence. But the appellate court disagreed, citing that due process requires notice before barring the individual monetary claims of absent class members. As a result, Johnson's claim for monetary relief could not be barred by the earlier suit in which he received no notice. The court ultimately ruled that Johnson's lawsuit for damages could proceed as an individual action because he was not properly notified in the prior case. Upon remand, the court would assess if Johnson's lawsuit complies with Rule 23 and his adequacy as a class representative. Though Johnson might still receive relief, the legal doctrine of res judicata would prevent him from receiving duplicate relief or relief that could have been pursued in the previous lawsuit.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class behind.